Hello, today let's learn how to draw a Christmas tree, simple one. From the center of the paper, draw two arcs, one to the left, one to the right in a triangle shape. And then join them with the inverted waves. Make sure you're joining the corners in the same angle. And from the corner one, draw one to the left and one to the right arc, and then similar way join with a inverted wave shape. You can do zigzag or pointed ones. You can do anything you want. This is the basic simple one, or the kids can just do a straight line or something like that, and keep it going. You can continue 5 or 6, but depending on the paper, keep it to minimum 3 or 4 for kids, so it will be easy. So here is the fourth one I am drawing. You can see it's going. So I'm drawing the first two sides and then drawing the arc from the joining this with the inverted waves or U's or whatever you want to call it. And now we will do the branch with a brown color. Do the same little straight arcs to give it a nice shape, and then join it with a curve. I'm sorry, it came little bit cross. I'll try to fix it on the other side. If it was a pencil, we would have erased it and done it. First, kids, let's draw with pencil, and then we can do it with the markers or pens, whatever they want. So now I am doing some straight lines, kind of a shading on the branch area. So see, it looks so nice. It looks like a branch, and we'll do some lines in the middle. Instead of coloring the entire thing, we can do it this way. Now we'll do the tree. Let's do the lines for the tree also. Only on one side I am gonna do the lines for the tree. After the lines, let's take some nice colors, bright colors for the ornaments, and let's start doing the ornaments. Here I did red first. Initially I am drawing the circles, random circles, and then I did the blue circles. Random means you can do anywhere you want, so leaving some space, breathing space. Don't do right next to each other or something like that. And then I am going and filling them in with leaving a white gap, little bit white gap, like a shining part on them. And then for some more brightness, I use the yellow one, and I have filled them all the ornaments you can do any shapes you want. And then let's do the skirt, tree skirt. Draw a nice oval under the tree, a thinner oval, not a very broad oval, thinner oval, and do the lines for the foldings near the branch, and then do this kind of zigzags for the fluffy part in the ends, where you have the fluffy part in the end. Let's do a kind of wiggly lines. And then in the middle of the tree I am drawing some straight lines, thinner straight lines. You can see I am not doing thicker ones. If you keep the pen straight, you will get thinner straight lines, and then so that it looks like, yeah, the tree has some leaves or kind of some shading is happening. The kids want, they can first do the ornaments and color the rest of the tree with complete green. You can see in the end how it will look if you do it completely green. Now it's time for the star. Take a line diagonally up. So it's diagonal, it's not a straight line parallel to the paper, it's going up, and then I am going from the end point to diagonally up. It forms a V in a different, see how it's forming a V, and then get the third line crossing the first line. See, it's coming crossing the first line, and then from here see how it looks like inverted 4, and take it up to the top of the tree. Yeah, there from the top, and then join the first line and this last line together. That's it. Your tree is done. And fill the color in, leaving some area for shining part, or you can do glue and do some glitter. It will come out beautifully. Just for glitter, glitter the star, glitter the ornaments, not the entire tree. Kids can give this as a card for teachers or parents or their friends. They would really love the Christmas tree. We will do a gift, how to draw a gift box soon in the coming up videos. So I hope you like the tree. Please give a thumbs up. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.